welcome back to another video. We're in Jamaica for Tajay's birthday. Right now, we're just leaving the airport. We're in this little tour bus, but they taking us to the hotel. But I'm gonna give you all a little some views, maybe. So far, I look like this. Cece, hey.
Hey girl, I'm activated.
Nyla, Morgan, say hi. Say hi. We finally made it to the hotel after like an hour, y'all. We're waiting on our bags. Oh Lord. Take the stuff out when you get in. Hello. It's not on
recording you.
You guys okay? Y'all make drinks, right? You have a green tea shot?
I don't do that.
What?
Oh, you never did.
I didn't.
I'm gonna get a margarita.
What happened to the commander? Is this his baby or not? It's not.
Tastes like juice.
Oh, you did your
I am.
Is this a boomerang or
I don't know. I'm doing a video.
it's a net? I think that's what it is.
I'm in the hotel room. I'm about to give y'all a room tour. First, this is it's like a closet. It's real dark. Y'all probably can't see. But this is let me see if I got a light. Oh, this is the closet. Have this area. Here's the bathroom. This is the shower. It's a mirror. They have a tub in here. This is another closet. Another closet. Here's the full body mirror. This is the beds. This area right here. There's a couch. Here's outside. They're renovating that, so we won't be on that today or this weekend. But this is the view. Y'all, it's so nice. We staying at the Ocean Coral. See, this the Ocean Coral what? Ocean Coral Springs. It's so nice. I'm gonna try to give y'all a tour of the whole resort. It's so nice. But yeah, we're currently in my mother's room.
Huh? Hey. We in Jamaica. Hey, we in Jamaica.
Stay right there.
Yeah, we got Lazy River. We about to go down there. Huh?
We need to go tour the place, mother. We need to go tour the place.
Yeah, let's go.
My phone on the charger though.
My phone's gonna die. Give me a second. What other charger? What a portable charger is? CC? My first one. Yeah. Look at one of these. No, I got them too. Look at Target. What? These pants? No, the slides. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I got some from Target too.
Yeah. I just bought them today.
Yeah, me too. And I bought the fake Hermes slides.
You know,
Booka booka. Sing sing. School bell ring. Knife and fork, a five for dumpling. Booka booka. LOL. Done. She got her liquor done. Done.
Malo.
Julio. Lift that up and put this back here.
Julio.
Lift that up. Done. I just need it done, Julio.
That's El Patrino.
Right.
They don't know that.
Okay, I'm turning on.
Done.
We going next door.
My phone's still in here, so you need to come back.
Well, my phone in the room too.
School bell ring.
I don't think she's Jamaican for real.
Oh, I was just about to get the camera lens.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, I should have been like enough for Gigi to
No, Tisa got wipes. I mean, fan.
I do too.
I got a fan too, but I just want to try it too. But I want to try that one.
You don't want to try the creamer?
Can I try this? I don't want to try that one.
Ooh, that's
so
still strong.
I just want to try it. It does. It look. This one seems more cakey.
That one is. That look like.
So it's like
Okay.
Bailey's kind of.
I don't think.
It's more of a girl like small.
Oh. It was. This one wasn't bad. It tastes like eggnog.
This tastes like rubbing alcohol.
This tastes like eggnog. Thank you.
Rubbing alcohol.
This one tastes like eggnog. For real, it was not bad at all.
Got that.
Yeah.
It's burning the back of my neck.
Exactly. I knew not to try that one.
Ah!
The clear one.
Yes, it's disgusting.
I tried to do that.
I did. Only got a swig, yeah. But
I tell y'all
it's
drink it when
burning.
y'all sick.
It's burning the back of my neck.
When I'm,
You need to go drink that now, cause you is sick.
The other one tastes like eggnog.
Ooh, it's burning the back of my neck so bad.
Back of your neck,
Yeah.
not even your throat.
No.
Why you know it definitely
It tastes like rubbing alcohol.
Why you know it definitely you smell it?
Cause you smell it.
It tastes like it smells.
Yeah.
I knew that one wasn't gonna be there.
Jesus. I still taste it.
I saw it said 65.
That's what it said?
Yes. Your order alcohol be 40. That
Jeez.
one said 65. I knew one.
That's disgusting.
What is this? Yeah, but like, what they sell? All this smell, what they give you, like, she's talking about some what they give Now she knows. You gotta like really get rid of them. Don't mind me. I'm gonna
My bad. You need to start deleting stuff, CC.
Fix it right now. You gotta worry about it.
Sorry. I think those were the desserts. I got some rice and peas, oxtail, curry goat, and a festival.
You can zoom it in when you get it though. Yeah. But I wanted you to get the whole word.
Yeah, that's the thing.
It looks nice though. You gotta send it to me.
Or maybe I should take
My
it from
camera
the
brought it
side.
What you mean?
Let me see. Like, you know how you can take it from the side and get the little weird
Good morning, guys. I've been up, kind of. Me and CC woke up at like 5 o'clock in the morning. Took a shower and went back to sleep. It's like 8:39 right now. But we got to get up, get dressed, and eat some breakfast because we all hungry. And we're going to figure out what we're going to do today. Because we don't know. But my sister just left the room saying everybody putting on their bathing suits, so that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, get ready with me. Oh voila! I'm wearing my blue one. What, the purple one? That's a one piece?
No.
Which one?
Those 3-piece.
Oh, wear the 3-piece today and 2-piece tomorrow. I mean, my skirt see through too.
Huh?
My skirt.
It is?
But I'm about to get up, wash my face, brush my teeth. Now, Grandma want to call me back. Huh? Hey, Grandma.
Hey, good morning. How you doing?
Good.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Hi.
That's Cece.
Hey, good morning, Cece. How are you? How was the weather there?
Sunny.
Huh?
Sunny.
It's sunny here too.
Oh, it ain't raining?
Oh,
The star move, right?
the storm that moved out of this area. Storm in Georgia. It's kind of moving out of Georgia too. It was moving fast. It just missed Tallahassee.
We don't seek to excel Gaza. What we seek is help to militarize and demilitarize. Only then can we ensure that this one will be the last one. We're ready to run with reach Jill and other folks.
So what you all doing today?
Hi, Dana. Good. Let me see my outfit now. Yeah, it's hot outside. It's no fall.
Yeah, but the wrinkle is need a little bit of pressure.
She's wrinkled, y'all.
It's a secret.
Is it a secret, Nala?
Yeah.
What's the secret?
Probably wrinkled.
What you doing? What you watching?
I have watched MSNBC.
What are you doing? Skincare.
Yes.
Now you have to.
You gotta take care of skin.
So how many of you all down there?
A lot.
10.
10.
That's a good crowd.
Grandma, it's so nice.
Yeah, it's really
It's
nice.
really nice.
Oh, they never been to these parts.
Remember, I ain't never had this before. Huh?
I have it, though.
What?
What?
Yeah.
What? Probably got to reset it.
My club was over. Everybody was on the top.
I had tried to talk you, find out how.
We went back to sleep. You know what's up? At 5 o'clock. We went up. We got up. I got up at 5 because I'm so used to getting up.
No, not you.
I actually see she here from her mom, see her grandmother. Down there, baby, in Sarasota or where?
Bradenton.
But all up there, they had her Bible, or something.
Yeah, I have to call them this morning to see. I was asleep.
Yeah, I called Keita a little
What
bit.
time I'm going to bed? 8 o'clock?
8:30?
Like, nah. The school board back in?
Yeah. They told me. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's the.
They should just tell them don't go back to school.
We didn't have school today.
Yeah, that was off too. Yeah,
That's why y'all went to school yesterday.
Yeah, but they canceled.
Yeah. No, they didn't cancel ours.
Oh, they canceled.
Zach them never got school.
That's what I told my
They-
mom.
They not connected?
No.
No.
What?
I think they go with Broward County schools. And we.
No, they didn't have school, so they were supposed to have school, and they said there was no power.
They lied.
Oh, Robert, did come to school today.
Yeah, but at the same time as we didn't have school
But
today.
you tell me if she going to Boston for experiment.
What, 16? Now you got the picture.
Yeah.
Who, me?
Everybody.
I'm a little wrinkled. Can we wait till my wrinkles fall?
No.
No, what we gonna do about a pool?
Yeah.
You gotta get some of that wrinkle off your that shirt.
Grandma, stop talking about me. It's not even the shirt that's bad. It's the pants.
It really is. You should have had it sitting out.
You wanted me to wrinkle? I mean, iron it real quick?
Yes.
I just
I can see it. I was saying, not your getting hate.
Just run the iron over it. Throw that iron in there.
Yeah.
It should be like a steamer.
This is
Yeah,
steamer.
yeah.
I don't know where it's at.
Working.
Hi, Grandpa.
Hey, girl.
Hi, Granddaddy.
You don't know how to work the iron?
Huh? My granddad.
Give Miss Ty J.
She's in her
Her
room.
room.
Where are you at?
Pop in the closet, Nala.
Which one? It's about 7.
Huh?
What'd you say?
Off the college, you gotta learn.
This is my breakfast. I got a bagel, hash brown, bacon. It's the fish. Got set.
I could have been back. I didn't see it with you.
It's so dark in here, so crazy. Guys, don't look at that. What I have on? This is from Shein. My shoes are from Shein also.
Check.
Shades, man.
Oh, Target, Skims, Alicia, Tory Burch. I don't know.
The flea.
The what? For real.
Shein, Target, Ethica, Pexa, Yeezy. Hey. Let me see mine.
Calvin Klein hat. Oh, my shoes. Mac collection, Target.
We're about to go to the pool. Oh, my underboobs are showing. We're going to the pool. You gotta be careful.
I was in the filter lane, so I was gonna turn. The guy was overtaking something else. He didn't even stop.
You kept going?
Didn't stop.
Oh, wow. What did I need to do? I think she went back, took a shower.
Let's have a lot in the front and people don't go to the ones in the back.
That's true.
But you can browse, but you can have a look. You know, even if you don't want to buy now, but you can always look, you know? In case if you want to come back and grab something.
You're right.
My fear?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. After you get your sugar cane, I'll be back, okay?
Check it out.
I don't need no conch shell.
All natural.
Tim, this you?
All natural.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Come on down. Check it out.
We don't need no conch shell. That's what that is.
Is it food?
No, it's just a shell. He making noise. Barely can play. 10. We done shot. I got sugar cane and some shorts and a headband. Sorry.
Who do we need to tell that we need to wipe him out? Who do we
Me?
Her. They went back. But who do we need to tell
Yeah, I got you.
about the
About the excursion?
about the excursion? Both of us.
Huh?
Okay, so who do we need to tell about the? Y'all don't want to horseback? Y'all don't. We don't have to horseback.
No, but you can
Do you want a horseback ride?
Yeah, TA still. People still want to do it. Some people do it. I think you and TA do Gigi.
I'll do it if you do it.
I'll do it with you.
We got to wait today.
The only people that said no, I think it was me and Carl.
Are we doing it today? That's what we're saying?
No, it's tomorrow, but you gotta put it before.
All right.
Okay, so before the thing, I don't get it. Like, I don't know. Everybody want to sit there and yell at you when you get back here. I don't. My brain.
I yelled at you. Let me make it clear. I yelled at you about your wallet
No,
and your
no,
bag.
no. I'm not talking about you. I'm talking about the surfacers.
What is car?
She
wanted
wanted
back
back
already.
Go because she said it was too much for her.
Like, it's just too.
She said she lost all her cash coming back here.
It's too much.
You can go now. I mean, I'm already dried.
I need another drink. Whoa. No, you don't. Look at him.
What we need to tell him? We gotta do the horseback round.
Oh.
Why you look at me like that? What Morgan today? No.
They in the room. Is this seaweed?
Is it warm actually or no?
Do me a.
Is it warm? It's warm. I gotta piss.
You better walk into the water.
It ain't chlorine.
Is that trees?
I told you the tide pulled you in, girl.
Ain't no. The tide is very low, so it's not gonna pull you in. Promise. She said the tide is gonna pull you in. There's no tide. The tide is very low.
It's not as warm as it was earlier.
Just because the sun is not out.
It was real warm earlier.
Felt like I was getting in the shower. You ain't gotta go that far. Just stay on the clear piece, cause the other piece. Yeah, I just told her it was warmer earlier.
But it's not freezing at the pool.
Hell no, that pool. I don't know if it's because I had got out that pool water or what, but this water was warmer.
I need to it's the next day, like it's day 3 I think, maybe. But we about to go on the excursion, but we stopped to get some food. I got some oxtail and rice. And so yeah. I'll show y'all my food when I get it. Hopefully it's good. I don't be eating Jamaican food like that. But yeah.
I thought she said the food was already made.
That's what I thought. The lady said the food was already made.
Nigga, what you doing on that other line? Shit better be some money talk or some beat talk or another vibe. I don't play about a side bitch either.
What's going on, ladies? I'm going to come back around. I'm going to find me some new girls. I'm going to come back around. I wanted to find me some new girls, but I changed my mind. I'll let you know. Fuck with y'all.
It's the last day. It's currently, goddamn. It's currently 9:29, and I'm just sitting on the balcony. I'll show you. We leaving the hotel around 12, but the flight is like 3 something. I think. I don't know. But I need to go to the gift shop. I also need to go eat some food. What else I need to do? Yeah, I retwisted my hair before I came here, and it don't even look like it. It's kind of crazy. But yeah, I need to go to the gift shop and get some souvenirs. And I think that's it. Oh, and I need to go look at some pictures that I took on Friday, because I didn't go do it when I was supposed to. But yeah, we'll see what the day takes us. This thing is such a little movie thing. It don't sit still. This like a little, I don't know what this thing called, but yeah, it don't sit still. I don't know if I showed y'all the balcony, but this how it look. I was just sitting on that. That thing moves so much, like it just moves in circles. But yeah, this is the water park that's not open, or the pool. We're about to go get some breakfast. Hey guys. We dressed for the day, so, and we packed our stuff. I don't know what time it is, but I'm hungry.
10-something.
So hungry.
It's so hot.
That too. I wonder if this can stay. I'm scared. What if it don't? What if it falls? Is it level? No, it's not level. I was gonna show y'all my fit, but I got it.
Flip the camera. Flip the camera. Wait, is it this way?
TikTok, Target, Nike,
The jewelry store.
Pandora. I don't know where these glasses are from. Vision Works.
Fit check. Target. Walmart. Paxson. Christian Louboutin.
Hey.
Can I get salt and pepper, please? I haven't brought them. It was nothing. It was in there like this.
We just bought a bottle though. There was none. Just sell.
I'm trying to figure out like what the 610 gonna be. Because where was we gonna sit?
It's American Club.
Yeah,
They barely pay Jamaican music.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. I know they was over capacity.
Where?
At them club. I ended up getting everything. I got my charm bracelet and I got 3 shot cups. But it's time to go. I think I'm in the vlog here, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and come back to another video maybe. Thank you, please. See y'all.